I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by gathering what's required and initiating the only guaranteed connection, wired audio. Plug the 3.5mm TRRS cable into the Barracuda X's headset jack, then immediately into the bottom of your Series S controller. Make sure the headset is powered on so inline controls work. Once done, keep the controller awake and note that the console won't pair with Razer's dongle. Microsoft blocks third-party dongles, so wired is the reliable method to follow now. Next, you configure the Series S to route both game and chat through the controller jack. Press the guide, go to Settings, then Volume and Audio Output. Set headset format to stereo uncompressed to ensure compatibility, and pick a chat mixer balance that favors game or chat as needed. Once configured, join a party or start a game and speak into the Barracuda X mic to confirm the Xbox registers your voice. If audio is low, increase headset volume from the controller or within the console settings. Finish by verifying both sides. Play game audio and speak to confirm mic pickup in a party. If the mic isn't detected, unplug and reseat the 3.5mm cable, restart the controller, and try a known good CTIA TRRS cable. Some cables are wired for audio only. Make sure controller firmware is current via Accessories app if detection persists. One key troubleshooting tip: if voice still fails, test the headset on a phone to confirm the mic works. That isolates whether it's the cable, controller, or headset.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.